Assalamu alaikum 3 class. In your previous lecture, we read the poem about the green giant and we learn about his appearance, how he looks like, and learn the tough words. Now students, turn your page number 28. Pick words from the poem that describe the green giant. आपने पोएम में से वर्ड्स जो हैं वो लेने हैं जो डिस्क्राइब करें ग्रीन जियंट को. उसके हेयर कैसे लगते हैं. हेयर इज़ लाइक अ स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम. हेयर यू विल राइट स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम. clear. Coat is like bright red, like peppermint. Clear. In this way you will complete the remaining. Clear. Like eyes likes brown and blue. Eyes brown and blue. Pants bright white like peppermint. And shoes brown as chocolate. 6 pair. Hat gingerbread की तरह है वो. And 7 socks yellow as lemon pop. And 8 beard like pumpkin pie. Clear. In this way you will complete this. Question number B. Answer the following questions. What was the name of green giant? You know the name of green giant was Sam. What was the color of his hair? The color of his hair was like the color of strawberry jam, mean red. What did the green giant wear on his hat? Green giant wore a beautiful hat with a feather on it. Clear. This is the hat. Vocabulary. Question number C. Write the names of the clothes and accessories by joining the words given in the box. Night क्या होता है. Night robe, bag, coat, suit, flops, gown. Night gown. You will match with night with the night gown. It becomes a word. Flip flops. Flip flops. Bath robe. Hand bag. Overcoat already matched. Track suit. Clear students? Then you will complete. You will write here. Clear? Now students, question number D. Fill in each blank with the antonym of the highlighted words. They are written in the box, helping box. You can take help from the box. The very first. The coal is black but the snow is white. Clear. The feather is light but the rock is heavy. The snail is slow but the hare is fast. The lion is wild but the sheep is tame. The stone is hard but the jelly is soft. The sugar is sweet but the lemon is sour. Clear. Question number E. Identify the color. Write its name and join it to the thing that is of the same color. Pink. Here you will write pink color. Pink क्या होगा. Sunflower, grass, tree trunk, hair, strawberry. So here will be strawberry. Clear. In this way yellow is here. You will write yellow. Yellow क्या होता है. Yellow, sunflower, grass, tree trunk, hair, sky, strawberry. These are matched. Now here you will see yellow, sunflower. Remaining you will do by yourself. Clear. Now question number next है spell well. When you add ed, er or ing to a very short word, look at the letter before the last letter. If it is a single vowel, a, e, I, o, u, the last letter will be doubled. Clear. If it is a single vowel, अगर single vowel होगा तो the last letter will be doubled. If it is a consonant और अगर consonant होगा simply add these letters ed, er और ing. Examples देख लें. Help, helper. Now there is a consonant, then we will add er here. Clear? Stop, there is also consonant, last word stopping. So before p there is a o. It means there is a o. So the last letter p is there, so the last letter will be doubled. You can see here, stop is a word, before the last letter o is vowel. If there is a vowel, so the last letter will be double. Last letter is p, so it will be double. Stopping. Bright, so last letter t, and before t there is a h. H is a consonant, not vowel, so the last letter is single like brighter. Clear? Helper, before stopping, bright, brighter. Clear? Remember, this rule is not followed for words ending in w, x और y. ये जो रूल है, ये वो लेटर्स जो एंड होते हैं w पे, x पे, or पे और y पे, इन पे अप्लाई नहीं होता. एग्जाम्पल्स है स्नो, स्नोड, बॉक्स, बॉक्सर, ट्राई, ट्राइंग. क्लियर? Question number F. Make new words as directed. Grow. So we will check that grow. Here we will add ing. So here you will write grow. Add ing, growing. Clear? Fly. Add ing. So you will write here flying. Clear? Run. So here you can see before and there is u, so it is a vowel, so it will be double. When we will write here, last letter will be double, n, and then add one n more, runner. Clear? Cold, here you will write colder. Clear? Now turn your page, come here. Fix, add ed, so here you will write fixed. Clear? Trim, add ed, trimmed. Clear? Now do and learn. Making a conical cap. It's for birthday cap. You can make easily, students. You require जो चीज़ें आपको require है वो ये है. A colorful pastel sheet cut in a semi-circular shape. Cutouts of colored paper, glue, glue stick, 3 strips of any color, crepe paper. Clear? Method. Fold the semicircular sheet from the plain side in the shape of a cone. Glue it to the make a cap. Paste the shape cuts out on the cap using glue. Paste the colored strips of crepe paper at the tip of the cap. Your colorful conical cap is ready. So you will do by yourself. It is a hard sheet, then these are that shapes of different colors are of crepe paper. Purchase from the bazaar and try to make at home. Clear? Thank you.